Good evening traders, welcome to 200forextips.com. I am here with the final analysis of 26th of September 2019. Okay guys, first of all subscribe my YouTube channel and also do not forget to press the notification button so that you can keep on getting the forex trading analysis from my side. Okay guys, first of all let me tell you today it was a very tricky day with trading because some pairs have break our entry zone and then they were reverted into another direction. But however, we have done some sort of scalping today because the market picture was not very good clear today. So we have preferred scalping on the most of the pairs. So get started with Great Britain Pound JPY. So Great Britain Pound JPY with a bearish expectation from 132.863. Now you can see it clearly breaks the entry and 2 hours it went below, and after that it was suddenly moving up. That is why we have to close the trade on a smaller profit, on a reasonable profit, because it was going into another direction. So that was the, you can say that why this happened, because if you look at the picture then you can say that the market is ranging. It has gone nowhere today. That is why we can see that there was no volatility almost on Great Britain Pound JPY. However, we were lucky enough to caught the profit during the London session, and it has helped us. And similarly, now let's talk about EURJPY. The same thing happened with EURJPY. A bearish signal was applied from 117.817, and after that you can see 3 hours the market started to go down and then it suddenly started to go up. So we have to exit from the trade, and because you know that when it starts going into another direction, so it's a signal that today the market is not going to behave in a normal way. Now look, from here it dropped and again it's back into the level. That's what we call that the market is kept in a range. So overall there was no good volatility in the market. Now let's talk about USDCHF. So same situation with USDCHF today. If you have done scalping, then you must be in profit. If you have not done scalping, then might be your trades are still running. So 099309 was the bullish entry, and you can say that 1 to 3 hours it stayed above the entry, and then we have received a 3 hours drop, and again it moved up and retesting the entry. So again, if we say that does USDCHF gone anywhere, it has gone nowhere. It's still leaning on the entry, it's still drilling in a range. So overall we have seen that today the market was quite ranging and there was almost no good volatility in the market that we can say that signal are going to perform better. So now let's talk about USD Canadian dollar. Sorry, 132581 was the bullish entry and 132897 is the target price. And guys, you can see till now, if you look at the USD Canadian dollar now, then the market has went up to let me put the line 132739, and after that still it's gone nowhere. So overall maybe this could be as per looking at the complete day, maybe it can again drop from that level. So basically it's not as good as we can say that the market momentum was not good today. Yeah, similarly Euro USD also does not went into our favor. That's a losing trade. AUD/USD went pretty fine in the first start of the session. You can see it clearly breaks the entry right from here, and then it went up to 0.67817. After that it has a drop. So that's what we call, that's the market again coming back into the range. So overall the ranging market has been we have seen that the market was overall ranging. So there was no, you can say that not a good day for trading. And let's talk about the AUDJPY. Semi-fine signal bullish trend was applied from 72763, and if you look, the market completely went bullish. First of all, it went up to let me draw the line here, it went up to 72992. After that it's again back into the range. So guys, what I say that today the market was not good to trade. It was ranging, so there was no good decisions about the market. So better up we come up with the signals tomorrow with a new mentality, and we will see that how the signals are going to perform tomorrow. Okay, moreover, for the newcomers who are just new to the trading channel, let me explain about the trading system. You can see the two red boundary indicators on the chart. Whenever you see that the market is into the top red boundary and it's getting the rejection, you can sell the pair. And whenever you see that the market is into the lower red boundary and it's getting the momentum, then you can buy the pair. And guys, this is how we use the trading system. Moreover, if you look at here, the scalper has pointed you with a buy signal, the market moved up, and here the scalper pointed you sell signal and the market gets a drop. And guys, this is how we use the trading system. Okay guys, this is all about the today's analysis. Overall, today was not a very good day with signals and not a very good day with even the market trading, but overall it was just satisfactory. So still I will say that if you're looking to subscribe to my signal service, if you want to get these trading indicators that we have just discussed, if you want to improve your trading technique through my video lessons, or you want to request for Skype one-to-one live coaching, or guys, if you want to learn that how I prepare the signals report, for all this you need to send your inquiries on info@200forextips.com. Please do like my videos, subscribe my YouTube channel, and share this analysis with other traders. Thank you for watching the video.